Queen of all media na si Chris Aquino hiwalay na uli kay Vice Governor Mark Leviste. Pero bago pong ating balita, huwag pong kakalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pindutin ang notification bell para lagi pong i-updated sa ating mga balita. Sa kanyang social media account, ibinahagi nga ni Chris Aquino ang pagbisita sa kanya ng singer na si Angeline Quinto sa bahay nito sa Orange Country, California. At matapos nga ang kanilang kumustahan, kinanta pa ni Angeline ang jingle ng Chris TV, ang dating morning show ni Chris sa ABS-CBN. Caption ni Chris sa kanyang post, "Thank you for visiting me at love Angeline Quinto. It's a great feeling to reminisce. That's the good thing about the past. You get to choose which memories to bring with you." Kasabay nito, nagbahagi rin ng update sa kanyang love life at kalusugan ang Queen of all media. Sa ad ni Chris, hiwalay na uli sila ni Batangas Vice Governor Mark Leviste. Dito ay nilinaw din ni Chris ang article ng Inquirer.net tungkol sa panayam kay Vice Governor Mark Leviste. Pahayag ni Chris, "May clarify something I saw from the Inquirer.net feed. It was dated November 9. Unfortunately, by the time that post came out, it was no longer true. A long-distance relationship is difficult when undergoing very physically demanding treatments like my methotrexate and midopixant. But I got my latest blood panel. Apart from my very low hemoglobin, all my autoimmune markers are slowly improving." Pagpapatuloy ni Chris, "The truth is that I choose to lessen the stressors in my life and put my well-being first. On November 3, 2023, I initiated our breakup. It was a well-thought-out decision based on choosing to do what's best for me now. I'm dealing with so much and my love life is not a priority." Dagdag pa ni Chris, "Maraming salamat po. Against all odds, I am slowly getting better and by God's grace, my autoimmune thyroiditis has gone into remission. From 5, I'm now just battling 3, but one of them is the main contrabida because it's life-threatening. Thank you for your prayers. God really is listening. #grateful." Matatandaan na nito lamang nakaraang buwan ay ibinalita ni Chris na nag-reconcile na sila ni Vice Governor Mark Leviste at ngayon ay muli siya nagbigay ng update na hiwalay na muli sila. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Huwag pong kalimutan mag-subscribe para sa iba pang showbiz updates. Kita-kita po tayo sa aking next video. Thank you.